So you want to learn about workflow in Premiere. Perfect. Your videos are going to be produced at a faster rate. It's really good to know this stuff. And what I started to do was just went into one of the videos I edited before, and I had separated everything from audio to clips to images to sound effects. So what that did was, organization is very important for this kind of stuff. And first things first is I don't like these large icons. I much rather a listed view because I found it easier to, touch upon stuff. So you double click, you can see what it is. It puts us in your source. And let's just get a clip. Whoops. And yeah, just any clip, whatever. I don't know. I'm thinking about this. So we have a clip here, and let's say I don't want to have this whole thing. What if I just wanted this part? I would click I, and then let's say I want to end it fairly short. I would click O, and right now I can drag the video only. It's just a video, so normally it would have the audio as well, or you could just drag the entire thing like that. It would drag the audio and the video at the same time. Perfect. But now we can see that it took the sequence settings of the GIF and it made it into the timeline. But what I think is important to know is that Premiere has these presets, and I automatically just go to HDV, and you can name your preset to be more organized, and boom, you got your preset there. Timeline's looking nice, So let's get another clip. Perfect. I just want this part and I want this part. So I drag it in, and I'll keep the existing settings, and the GIF is fairly small, it's accurately represented for the sake of the, but also you can see in our timeline how small the clip is. You can press Alt and you can scroll in, and now it's like, oh, I can actually edit this. I can cut here, look at it frame by frame. Another thing you could do is hover your mouse over here and scroll in and out, and this is what the opacity of the clip, so as dark as you want it, as close as you want it. Pretty cool, right? And if you were to have audio, it would just change the dB of the audio. So anyway, let's put another clip in. I don't want to use that one for some reason. I was working on some stuff about Pulp Fiction, postmodern stuff. Anyway, so I got this, drag this here, and yeah, they're fairly short, so I'm sure you already know this is you could just scale it up, click it, scale it up, this is stuff you should already know. This is an advanced tutorial. You could also drag this here to make the clips bigger, whatever, and you could also press your N key, and let's say I wanted to make the motorcycle clip longer than the Vincent. I hope that's his name. So there it is. Or if I want to do vice versa, make this one longer, and then just boom, So yeah. Another thing you would probably want to do is just some markers so now this clip has a marker on it, and it signifies as a change, but also be careful because now the marker, you'd have to like change it with the clips aligning, and it's helpful for some projects. Other times you might not need it, but it's the shortcuts M, it's fairly quick. So next thing I want to show you guys is the adjustment layer. So this one's a very helpful tool to know, but normally I put these things inside of a assets folder. So go back to our project, and inside this I'd put my assets. So you can see this is like my clips is like so many clips. And I put the assets folder inside the clips folder. So let's just have assets here, and inside of it we'll put the adjustment layer. So it's okay. It's okay like that. Just add it, whatever. And this, what it basically do is apply the effects, whatever effects you so wish to choose, and it'll apply it to everything under that adjustment layer. So right now it's nothing, but we could go ahead and add black and white, and it makes the entire clip black and white until here, till it ends.